how you can fix your marketplace not loading. Now I'm not really having that problem right now, but if you're on your Facebook, just go to your marketplace and it does not load. As you can see, mine's working just fine. So I'll teach you guys how to fix it. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now after you've done that, go to the marketplace right here, and whatever the error you will be getting, or if it's not loading, just take a screenshot of it. Now after you take a screenshot on it, just go to the menu section, scroll down, you will see the help and support, expand on it, and just tap on report a problem. Now just after you tap on report a problem, continue to report, and you can include or uninclude your complete diagnostics and logs. I'm just going to do don't include. Now right here I will need to just search for marketplace, just search for it, and right here what you'll need to do is my marketplace is not working, and just say please fix it. Now write something like this and just add a screenshot too. Let me just add a screenshot right here. Okay, so that's not the screenshot I was hoping to do. Let me just undo that. I'm just gonna cancel that and take a screenshot, and yeah, just go to the marketplace, take a screenshot again. So you can take a screenshot like that too, and just tap on send, and your problem will get fixed. Now a ticket will get generated. As you can see, thanks Facebook, feedback will help improve Facebook, and that is pretty much it, and your problem will get fixed by Facebook itself. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.